I'm going to show you a tool that has been incredibly useful for me. I talked about it in one of my other videos, but I'm just going to give a separate video here for the people who haven't seen it. This is a tool that allows you to separate the instruments from a song. Many of you will know about it already, many of you will not, but I'm going to show you what you do. So what you do is you go to vocalremover.com, just like so, and then so you have your track here. This is my song, so I'm just gonna play it for you. So let's say we just wanted to separate that guitar from the recording, right? What you want to do is you actually want to go, once you're at Vocal Remover, you're going to go over to your AI splitter over here. And then you're going to drop your file just like so. You're going to drop it right into the splitter. And then you're going to wait for it to process the MP3 file. And like I was saying, this allows you to actually separate all of the instruments from the file so you can use it for educational purposes. So for instance, like if you have a song that you're learning and you just want to isolate the guitar track, you can just like use this tool to find just the guitar. Or maybe you just want the drums and you want to use the drums just to jam over. You want to use it for, backing tracks or something of the sort. Then you can also use it in that way. But it's an incredibly useful tool for just like learning parts and doing all kinds of stuff with it. I saw a clip online of a guy say that it was a lot like taking eggs out of a cake that has already been made. And it's almost, I would say that's a really great analogy. I think it was Porter Robinson I saw say that in an interview, which is like a techno, or excuse me, an EDM guy, I believe. So now that it's done processing the file, you can see how it's been split up into a bunch of different tracks, right? So you got your drums, your bass, your vocal, and your music. Now the music, that's actually the guitar, and you can tell by when you drop it all like this and you hit play. So as you can see, it's just a guitar now. And if I fast forward all the way to here and the drums are no longer there, now we can also take that out and just have the drums. And also you can do the same thing with the bass. So essentially, once you're done, let's say we want just the guitar. So we're gonna go save just like so, and we're gonna choose let's choose the music, which is the guitar. Do you want to allow downloads? Yes. So now we're gonna download the guitar just like so. We're gonna drag it to your desktop, and then here it is. It's just the guitar. So ultimately, this is a very useful tool, and I definitely recommend using it for a bunch of different things. By the way, if you're looking for something to practice, get my fretboard memorization cheat sheet from travelingguitarist.com/fretboard cheat sheet. What it is it's all the triads, the major and minor triads in every single key. Through the octave mapping technique and through a couple other techniques, you can actually just learn to memorize not only the notes of the fretboard, but you can also learn how to improvise in a bunch of different keys by understanding the the foundation of harmony, which is the triads, right? The foundation of chords. You can also sign up to my forum at forum.travelingguitarist.com. There you can chat with people about guitar and music and whatever else you'd like.